Why allegations should never be online. Other individuals on the internet does not always do the right thing. Whenever other individuals have allegation, it does always be about a famous influencer instead of alerting the law enforcement unit about a sexual assault or an allegation. Many individuals on other social media platforms might be gullible and close-minded to the forgiving situation. And this is something that I have realized about others. Random people on the internet does only do this to other influencers that have around 1 million up to 10 or more subscribers, or have a large following on other social media networks. The real truth is, it is very hard to find other victims that have a small following social media account, and it is certainly that you would never find other individuals creating videos about a sexual allegation or a sexual assault. However, it always have to be a large following. I have a few questions. Number 1. Why others is taking this very seriously. Number 2. Why others sometimes uses this to cancel other influencers, and why other influencers support this behavior from some bad viewers that is negative and jealous of their following. Number 3. Why positive viewers do not always ignore negative viewers just like K-pop viewers do. Number 4. Why it always have to be Twitter, also known as X. The truth is that Twitter want to give others freedom of speech without adding any forms of platform boundaries, like YouTube or Instagram and other social media platforms, which is very bad. The reason why I am saying that it is because certain individuals in the world love to create drama and do not want others to be successful or others finding creating drama is fun. Another evidence have been proven that everyone has a secret dark side of them, based on the popularity statistics that Rockstar have analyzed about others' behavior before they start to create the famous GTA video games, GTA 5 and GTA 6, and then the past game San Andreas, and other past GTA video games. This is something Rockstar Games have analyzed and known about others before they create the GTA video games. To put this into perspective, back to Twitter or X, when other platforms like X do not implement platform boundaries like other social media does, then this will lead to controversy around the behavior of others, and they conduct of respect. And when others misbehave, that is when advertisers and investors do not want any involvement with X or Twitter. In other words, platforms that do not implement boundaries around respectfully will lead to bad viewers destroying innocent viewers, which will lead to advertisers pulling out from Twitter or X without platform boundaries, but only freedom of speech. What will lead to is others doing whatever they want, without caring about anything, or taking the wrong approach without knowing how to deal with the situation correctly. Will lead to others always doing this without knowing how to carefully report an allegation the right way instead of the wrong way.